Okay, the first shortcut that we can come across when solving the 3x3 is when you're creating the white cross on the top. If you notice that one of your pieces is down here but it's flipped wrong, don't rotate it up and do the algorithm. That takes a lot of time. Instead, leave it on the bottom layer like this and rotate it over to the right side so that it's sitting over here like this. And now pay attention and see if there's a white piece right here. If there is, you're going to have to do one extra thing at the very end. If there is not a white piece, like in this case here, then you're good to go. So what you do, you rotate it up. Okay, so it's on the right side like this. You rotate it up and you pair this piece on the side, and then you rotate it into the white cross. If there was a white piece right here that you pushed out of the way, you'd have to rotate this layer back in order to bring the piece back. So what I mean is, if this piece is right here, I would rotate it over to the right side, but then you'll notice there's a piece up here. So it's on the right side, so you rotate it and you pair it sideways, rotate it into the cross, but you've pushed the cross piece out of the way, so you'll have to bring that back as well to finish the cross. Now this step has many shortcuts when you're getting the white corners to the top here, and normally the algorithm that you use is R prime, D prime, R, D, multiple times, and you'll be able to get the corners up there. Now look at it at 3 angles, like you have this like this. So go ahead and find one of the corners. Let's just do... You see this corner right here? You see how this is on the right side? The white is kind of facing out toward the right. When it needs to do that, you can do the normal algorithm to bring this up here, except you don't have to do the D move at the very end. So you just do it once and it goes R prime, D prime, R. And it's right up there. The D move at the end is completely unnecessary. Now if you look and you see this piece here, white, red, and green, but the white is on the left. So when you do it like this, the red, green, and the white here, you can then do the algorithm backwards, and it will bring the piece up there first try. So it goes like this: D prime, R prime, D, R. And you'll see that it has placed it right up there. Now when this happens, you got the red, white, and blue, but the white is actually facing down and it's on the bottom, and you want to get it up here. It's a slightly different algorithm, but it isn't too hard to memorize. It goes like this: R prime, 2D, R, D. R prime, D prime, R. There it is right up there. And now for this last corner, I will show you. See, it's facing out the left, so I just do the algorithm backwards, and it puts it right up here. D prime, R prime, D, R. Okay, when you're solving the second layer here, a couple things could happen. Now you see this? You see how this is blue and red? It just needs to be moved down to this side. And this piece, blue-orange, needs to be flipped to this side. These two edges need to be flipped. Now it'll also work if you just have one that needs to be flipped. It's a really easy algorithm to memorize. I memorized it instantly when I first heard it. It's really easy. So you just hold them so that the edge that you want to flip is on the front side and the other is in the back if you have one in the back. And it goes like this: 2R, 2U, 2R, 2U, 2R. And it flips them, just like that. Now sometimes this will happen, where you have the edge piece in here, but it's flipped in place in the second layer. Now there is an algorithm to bring this out, and this is the algorithm. R, U prime, R, 2U, F, 2R, F prime, 2U, 2R. And the edge has been flipped. Now when you're in step number 4, when you solve to get the yellow cross on the top of the cube, a couple things may happen. So you know that sometimes you'll start out at the dot, the L, the bar, the cross. Now if you have the bar, doing the algorithm once will get you straight to the cross. You already know this. If you have the L, you'd normally have to do the algorithm twice. But by switching 2 moves, you can actually do this algorithm and go straight from here to the cross. Hold it in the exact same position you normally would, and you do this algorithm. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. And you have the cross right on top there. Okay, and when you start out at the dot here, there's something interesting that you can do. It mixes both of these algorithms. It has the old algorithm, a 2U, and then it has the new algorithm. So I've put the old algorithm in a set of parentheses, then the 2U, and then the new algorithm in a set of parentheses, just so that you can see it easier exactly what you're doing. So start out at the dot, and it doesn't matter what position you hold it in, it will always work. And it goes like this. It's a really long algorithm, but it's not that hard. You've already learned the first one. You've actually learned both of these. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, 2U, F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. And it goes straight to the cross.